Earthworks Audio has been focused on manufacturing the world's fastest microphones for the past 30 years. Accurate impulse response, leading to a perfect and pure frequency reproduction, has been Earthworks Audio's signature. The company was founded by Mr. David Blackmer, the founder and owner of companies like the renowned DBX. We are very excited to present the latest addition to the Earthworks Audio product family, ICON. ICON is a studio-quality USB streaming microphone dedicated for streaming, home recording, remote working, podcasting, and gaming. ICON comes with a custom Triad-Orbit desktop stand, so you don't have to do anything but open the box and enjoy it. Then, let's do so. Let's unbox it. ICON comes in an exceptional layer packaging. Once you open it, you will find the ICON protected and very well fit within a high-density rubber foam to ensure no transportation damages occurs. Keep unveiling layers, and the 2-meter anchor hard-wearing nylon USB cable will appear. An everlasting sturdy cable for your rugged microphone. Last but not least, the also in steel desktop stand. Rubberized base to avoid any slips, and with the Earthworks Audio logo engraved in it. And here it is, ICON. ICON is built to the highest manufacturing quality standards. Solid body of accurate mechanized steel, from the precisely perforated grill to the gain knob in the back. Then brushed to provide a balanced and gratifying feeling when looked at and hold. The quality extends to the orbit mount. This allows total freedom of movement for a precise position to capture any sound source. The locking screw, it's also made in mechanized flute steel. It's rewarding and provides accurate grip with any preferred mounting direction. The also made in steel desktop stand provides counterweight to keep ICON balanced at any position. The whole group is just a bold statement of aesthetics. Talking about standards, the USB connection in the back allows the ICON to be plug and play out of the box. ICON can be used with any of your preferred devices. A laptop probably would be the most common companion. However, tablets also providing the same seamless connection. Even if you need to connect it to your smartphone, you can. There is no additional software, there is no drivers to install, there is no hassle. Simple and easy. Let's have a look on how easy it is to get ICON working with your computer. We just need to connect the USB cable to the micro USB connection in the back of ICON. Once done that, just open the sound settings on your computer and you will find USB audio codec. Just select it as input and output, in case we also want to use the headphone output built in ICON. We can then adjust the input volume with the gain knob situated in the back of ICON. The center position is the default setting and is the best for speech at medium-low volume from 3 inches away. Turning it to the left lowers the gain, and turning it to the right increases the gain. When turning, we'll feel also a click when the knob is at the center position. If the ICON is set as your computer's output device, The computer's master output volume will control the icon's output level. If it isn't set as the output device, you can adjust it in your computer's control panel. If you are using a smart device like an iPhone or iPad, you can control the icon's volume using the device master volume control. Icon provides you things like a haptic analog mute switch. This can be easily activated by pushing in on the gain knob on the back of the microphone. Think about like this is your e-brake. When engaged, no sound will pass. And it's also been included as a safety level beyond the digital mute of your computer. When pressing the knob, you will also hear an audible click sound that it will indicate that you have been muted. Front LED indicators. These are found under the microphone, just where the body meets the ball joint. The LED indicator will light up depending on this criteria. Red. The analog circuitry in the microphone is clipping. Blue. The microphone is plugged in and power on. Green. The computer is actively streaming audio from the microphone. Earthworks Audio have paid a special attention to making sure that the icon does not make any noise when you move it or when you handle it. As such, feel free to touch, move, adjust the microphone while it's power on, and you know that you will experience very little noise while doing so. So here it is, Earthworks Audio Icon. Extreme quality mic, high satisfaction, rock solid build-in, and eventually the ultimate mic you will ever need. Please feel free to contact Sonos Libra for more info or eventually for a demo. And that's for now. Hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.